So, this year has taught me a lot about myself and basically about everything. This summer has just been insane with all the events and friends that I'm surrounded by. I've learned to enjoy every moment that I have given, and I'm grateful for everything. Enjoy every bit of what brings the happiness for you. That's the secret behind success. Enjoy life, because that's the best thing to live for.
Natural as breathing air. And when the sky went dark, you think I would've known before we let it get this far. I should've let you go. Now I gotta crawl out of love. Now I gotta crawl out of love. It's so fucking easy to fall in, but now that this ain't what you promised, and tell me how to crawl out of love. Tell me how to crawl out of love. Tell me how to got your words right. Always knew what to say in our fights. Look at us now. Hard as I try, I get halfway up the wall and you pull me down. And when the sky